morning everyone. I am your teacher Shelly Palta from California Public School. Are you fine? Be careful, stay at home, stay healthy. So today we are going to do our next letter, that is P, and the phonic sound of P is P. So first of all, before start to learn the formation of this letter, let's revise few words related to P sound, like P parrot, P pigeon, P peacock, P pen, P pencil, etc. So now let's do holo pattern. So how you will do holo pattern? First of all, take a crayon, keep your crayon on point. Now start move. First of all, go up. Now in same way you will come down. Now again go up, turn, make a curve, and now go up like this. Once again go up, come down. Now again go up, as you were doing in H, in same way you will do over here. So it become P. So now next, first of all do like this. Go up, again go up, come back like this. It is P. Again up, come down, make P like this. Again up, come back. Now you will do like this. Go up. While doing P, you have to keep in mind that you will not touch with the top line. You will come down like here. Now move like this. It is P. Again keep your pencil on point. Go up, but you will not touch it with the top line. In same way you will come at bottom line. Now again go back and come here. While coming here, touch it over here and make P. Once again go up, come back down. Now again go up like this, P. Again like this, P. First of all, keep your pencil over here. You will not touch it with the top line. Now come back to the bottom line. Now go back like this, P. Now how you will do joining? Go up, come down, make curve like this. Again now keep your pencil here. Go up, come down. Now make curve like this. Again go up, come down, make curve like this. Up, come down, like this. It become P. Come down, it become P. Again like this. First of all, go up, come back. Now again you will go up. Now while coming on second line, make a curve like this. Now in same way you will go up, come down. Now go to second line. Now make a curve like H. Again go up, but you will not touch with the top line. Now come on bottom line. Now make curve like H. It become P. Once again go up, come down. Now make curve like H. Again go up, come down. It become P. Like this. Hope so that you understood that how you have to do joining of letter P. So bye bye everyone.